What's up guys? Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Are you having trouble with your WhatsApp notifications? Your friend sent you some messages, but your iPhone never notified you of any. There are no banners, no badges, and nothing shows up on the lock screen or notification center. Which is weird because clearly you have received those messages. Fret not. In this video, I'm going to help you fix it. Let's dive in. First, make sure you are not in Do Not Disturb mode, which mutes all the notifications coming to your iPhone. So, keep it off when you want to stay informed with your friends. Next, go to Notifications and Settings. It doesn't matter how you want to display the notifications in general, so we just scroll down and tap WhatsApp. Make sure to allow notifications. Enable alerts on lock screen, notification center, and banners. Turn on sound and badges. If you prefer more privacy, it's recommended to set Show Preview to when unlocked. This way the content of your messages won't get exposed to the lock screen. Next, tap WhatsApp Notification Settings. This will redirect you to the in-app notification settings. Be sure that you have turned on Show Notifications for messages and groups. Well done. Now let's test it out. See, the banner and badge are working right now. Let's try the lock screen. There it is. I hope yours have been fixed as well. If not, follow the steps here to check your network settings. In Settings, go to WLAN. Tap Apps using WLAN, Cellular. Find WhatsApp and make sure you have allowed it to use data. Next, go to Cellular. Tap your phone number. Make sure Low Data Mode is not enabled, so that your cellular data usage won't be restricted. Now let's go to General, About. If a carrier settings update is available, we can follow the on-screen instructions to install it. This makes sure your cellular data is always up to date. A more powerful way is to reset the network settings to default. Just be sure to keep your Wi-Fi password ready for reconnection. So that's it. Thanks for watching. To transfer WhatsApp chats between your devices, check out iCare Phone Transfer in the description down below. For more tips like this, subscribe to the Tenorshare channel, or click another video to keep watching now. See you next time.